Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
She no fake, but she my mate, yeah.
If we can even still call it my channel because it's been so freaking long. I don't really have an excuse. I was just getting really fed up with the content, and I feel like YouTube is one of those platforms where everyone almost expects, especially in vlogs, everyone expects you to be like over the top happy like all the time. It's just not really who I am. So the whole like, hi guys, welcome back, like it's just not who I am. So then I did make a few videos where I was just like myself, like how we all are in everyday life. Yes, I'm obviously still happy, but I'm not like shouting it from the rooftops with excitement, you know. And then a couple of people like commented like, are you okay, like you don't seem yourself, like is something the matter? And I was like, yeah, like I'm great. I'm just not, whoa. So that's kind of like how it started. And then it just, you know, like, you know, when things, like the longer it got, the longer it got, you know, like it was harder to just put up a video. And then it got so long that I felt just so much pressure to put up the first video as like a welcome back video. But now, so basically I have been vlogging like the last probably month, maybe not even that, to be honest, maybe like a few weeks. So I'm just going to kind of use this video as like a what I've been up to the last few weeks, intro, a hello, like a welcome back, just to put it up there so it's done. And then once it's up, the ball will be rolling and I'll be on a roll. That's my plan in theory, because I do miss YouTube. I love YouTube, so I really do want to be posting content for you guys on here, because I feel like you guys on YouTube are like my number ones, my day ones. So I definitely miss communicating with you on here. What else do I have to say? I feel like I'm really hunched down, but it's just because I'm leaning in. Oh, did you like the new intro? So I made that intro because I personally really like it. If I really like a YouTube channel and I really like someone's content and I watch it regular, then if they have like a cute little intro, like literally like 5 to 10 seconds, like it makes me happy, because when it comes on I'm like, oh yay, it's you. Like instant recognizable that it's your video. So I really wanted to create just like a little cute intro. It'll probably change along the way, like updated with different pictures and stuff. But yeah, I hope you liked it. And also I'm going to be trying to split my content a bit more, because I know that a lot of you guys, you're here for the editing and you just want to know how I edit stories and pictures and cool like effects and edits. Totally cool. I love that too. That's why we're friends. But you're not interested in vlogs and day life and fashion makeup necessarily. You might be a crossover, but yeah, I feel like it is quite split. So any vlog that goes up will be off-duty files. Hence the video title intro you saw, this cute little logo. How cute is this? I was pretty proud of myself for making this. So that's going to be, so vlogs are now off-duty files. So in there you're going to be day-to-day life, what I'm up to. There will be some behind-the-scenes shooting content, of course, because I generally do that day-to-day anyway. So there will be some of that behind-the-scenes stuff in there, 100%. But it will be also obviously vloggy and like food and restaurants, coffees and peanut and pea and whatever. Whereas if it's going to be like I'm going to go back to doing like more dedicated videos to how I edit this, and obviously that will be very clearly titled and it'll be pretty obvious what it's about, for those of you who only want editing, so you don't have to like watch a whole vlog just to see editing stuff. I hope that makes sense. And also with like makeup and fashion hauls and stuff, they'll be very clearly labelled although I probably will in vlogs. If something happens to arrive and it's just like a couple of pieces, then I'll obviously include that in the off-duty files because it's arrived, so it'll be happening. But if it's like a proper, like I've done a big order for somewhere and it's like a big clothing haul, then obviously I'll do that in a separate video. Hope that makes sense. I hope you're liking the ideas I've got going here. I'm just literally just word vomiting at you. But it's been so long, so yeah. So I think I'm just going to jump into some clips of what I've already filmed. There's some, I definitely filmed me taking some photos with my mum, and I think I filmed some photos maybe taking with Pete. There's just like quite a few little clips. I thought it's silly to waste them, so I'll just put them in this video, get it up, and just, yeah. I do still have my Invisalign in, FYI, if I'm still lisping. I have actually finished my course, but I feel like nobody tells you this, but when I got my Invisalign, it was like 3 months. I was like, great, 3 months, like that's amazing. And they obviously say like, it's 3 months, but obviously we'll reassess it once you're finished. You might need longer, it might be fine, we'll see how it goes. So I got to my 3 months and we were really happy with how it's done, and like nothing else needs to be done, like they're straight. I was like, great, amazing. I was like, so can I just take them off now? No, you have to wear them for another 3 months. Like the same one. It's like it's not the exact same one, obviously, but for another 3 months for them really to like set in, and then I can go to evenings, nighttime only. So I didn't know this, so that's cool. But it's fine, I'm totally used to it now, and it actually feels, now I'm so used to it that it's more comfortable in than it is out. Hopefully that changes though. I am also going to be going to get some composite bonding, like edge bonding, on my top teeth to make them slightly bigger, because you don't really see them. Hopefully in the next few weeks to a month, so I'll definitely take you to that appointment because I feel like that would be quite exciting, like much more exciting than just the Invisalign. And also, FYI, my dentist is actually amazing. I'm so glad I found him. I actually found him because I did a poll on Insta stories a while ago, obviously, asking, and a few of you recommended him that live in Brighton, and it didn't disappoint. Like, he is amazing. Like, I'm so happy with him. And also, I was really scared of the dentist. That was so lispy. I feel like when I'm thinking about it, it's more lispy. But yeah, I had to have a tooth that up here that rank. He fixed that, and I had to have a filling up here. And I'm really scared of the dentist. And honestly, I've never had anything like it. It just didn't hurt like at all. Like even the injection didn't hurt, and I just was mind blown. And I feel like he's just great. So anyway, when I go to that appointment, I will take you with it so I can introduce you to him and show you what it looks like. Because he does like a temporary one first to see if I like it, which we've done one, but it wasn't quite right. So now we're doing another one. So yeah, I'll take you with that to that appointment. Anyway, let's get into the last life that I've been living. Okay, so I'm just going to go take Penny for a walk first. This is what I'm wearing. So this is just the black Calvin Klein beanie. Hi mum. Can see you just in the corner. This is like a black wool jumper, an overcoat, and my little Prada bag just crossbody. I'll show you the full look once we're outside, because we'll probably take some pictures by the sea as well.
Yeah, you look very small. Shall I make you bigger?
Is it not on +2 already?
It's on +2.
Just try something like that, and then you can do some more thinking.
Very small. You can see, because you're very small.
Oh wow, yeah, really small. It could be nice though, if you zoom in.
Yeah. You can come down this way a little bit, so that's it.
I've just got changed, into another outfit I'm just gonna go take a picture of. So I've got just these black like suit pants on with the Celine underneath, plain black top. I've got this Skims hoodie on just for a minute because I was a bit cold to drive in, but I am going to be wearing this coat. Hey baby. This coat, which is like super long. I'll show you obviously when I have it on. But I actually love this, even just like this with the hoodie. I think this is super cute, really casual, comfy fit. Okay. I'm back home now. It is very bad lighting in here. It is 5:10. I did shoot the outfit I showed you. The long coat. I don't think I filmed that clip though of me shooting it, which is a bit stupid. And then I shot one more outfit, which I also didn't film. So clearly I'm back, but I'm not better than ever. But yeah, I'm home now. I actually feel exhausted. I think because usually I try and shoot in one location and just take the change of clothes with me if I need to shoot more than one outfit. And it doesn't feel so much because you're just getting changed, taking it, getting changed, taking it. It's really quick. Whereas today I shot in 3 different locations, so it felt a bit more like stressful. But anyway, I'm home now and I'm gonna make poke bowls for dinner. Salmon and prawn, they're delicious. I'll show you like snippets maybe of how I'm making them because they're so good. They're just so delicious. My mum's obviously gone now and Pete is at the gym, so I will have dinner probably about 7. Forgotten how to vlog, I just can't do it. I'm just going to shoot some pictures with Pete in the background. I'm going to try and do 2, maybe 3 outfits. So I will take you, this is the first outfit which you can't really see right now, but I'll show you once we get on location. I'm going to try a new location that we've not done before, but I don't know if there's going to be loads of people there or if you can even get into the area. So we're just going to try that first. If not, I'll just go to one that I usually shoot pictures at anyway. We are taking the stairs because the lift is broken. We live on the 7th floor. I feel like there's 2 flights of stairs per floor. Why is that? Any response? Can you carry my bag? It's very heavy.
Yeah, it's a good workout.
Yeah, I know, but I'm trying to do this at the same time. See, it's quite heavy. Thank you. Yeah, there's like two, like we've just gone down loads and we're only on the 5th floor. Oh, at least it's exercise for the new year. Here we go. I will not be walking back up. We can just go to the other left when we come back, no?
Yeah.
Because down.
You might have a run then.
I mean, I'll see how I feel. It might be quite good exercise to go. To come back up, no?
Yeah.
You were panting when you came back up.
Yeah.
Panting! Oh, we're almost there. The floor's changed. When we get to the car park, can you hold the camera so you can show them my outfit?
Yeah, that's it.
Thanks. Oh, it's nice and cool down here. Cool bits. Nice.
Look like a polar bear, look like a shark.
I don't understand the act like a polar bear.
Look like a polar bear.
Yeah, why? I don't understand.
Be in the cold, it's good for your body.
Oh! Now you can see my outfit, right? Yeah.
Yeah?
Maybe a bit higher. Actually, no, you're alright.
My forearm's aching now, do you want to take the bag?
Huh?
My forearm's aching now, do you want to take your bag?
Yeah.
No, your bag.
Oh.
Sorry, we're here now.
Hang on that one. See, I feel like when you vlog in... When I'm on this camera now, it looks like quite bright. But when you shoot pictures here, they always come out quite bad quality. So that'll be the end of this vlog, hopefully. It's kind of my first off-duty files, I guess. But that is everything for this video. I hope you liked it, and I'm glad to be back. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I don't know how to use this new camera, clearly.